We chose to have Tri-State Waterproofing come to our house because we were hit by Hurricane Helena. Our basement was flooded. We did not really exactly know what to do about all this. We were very stressed out, so we wanted to do whatever we could do as soon as we could do it so we could have peace and comfort in the home without worrying about all the damage that can occur. We thought that they would be doing a drain on the outside, but when Zach explained everything to us, it was an inside job where they were going to put a sump pump in, and we would not have to worry about this ever happening again. So we knew what to expect, how to prepare for it. We were very impressed the first time they came, and then we watched it in action, saw everything that they were doing, did some things we didn't even expect. They worked quickly but thoroughly, and the job was completed in one day. It was an incredible experience. I would highly recommend Tri-State Waterproofing to my family and my friends for anything like this because they do a great job.